Hi students, welcome to my channel Maths Plus IIT JEE by संतोष सर. सो लास्ट क्लास में हमने इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स का क्वेश्चंस किया था, उसका फार्मूला भी पढ़ा था. अभी और थोड़ा आगे चले तो एक फार्मूला है इधर, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ई पावर एक्स इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स डी एक्स दिया हुआ है. सो इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? इसका इंटीग्रेशन होगा ई पावर एक्स इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स, ई पावर एक्स इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स. ये कैसे डेरिव हुआ है तो उसका थोड़ा हम देखते हैं. ई पावर एक्स इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स किया, डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ ई पावर एक्स इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स. सो इधर यू वी रूल लगा दो. सो यू इंटू वी डैश प्लस वी इंटू यू डैश. ई पावर एक्स का डेरिवेटिव तो ई पावर एक्स ही रहेगा, ये दोनों में से ई पावर एक्स कॉमन हुआ. ये एंटायर फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव ये फंक्शन है तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन ये हो जाएगा, ई पावर एक्स इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स का इंटीग्रेशन ई पावर एक्स इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स हो जाएगा. बस वही है. अभी इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हमने डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं और इसके ऊपर जेडब्ल्यू में भी क्वेश्चन आने का बहुत प्रोबेबिलिटी है और बोर्ड में एनसीईआरटी में तो बेसिक लेवल के क्वेश्चन आएगा, सीबीएसई में. तो चलो इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन हम देखते हैं. एफ ऑफ एक्स आपका मर्जी फंक्शन चूज करो, एफ ऑफ एक्स और उसका डेरिवेटिव रखो. जैसे इधर मैंने लिया ई पावर एक्स, इधर लिया साइन एक्स. साइन एक्स लिए तो उसका डेरिवेटिव क्या है? कास एक्स. इधर डाल दिया तो दोनों का बीच में एडिशन साइन. साइन एक्स का डेरिवेटिव कास एक्स है. इसका पूरा इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फार्मूला? ई पावर एक्स इंटू इन प्लेस ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स वी हैव साइन एक्स. साइन एक्स plus c. Always place the integral constants. Now here same e power x into log x. What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x, 1 upon x. Log x derivative is 1 upon x. Here f of x is log x. Integration will be e power x into log x plus c. Now same tan x derivative secant square x. E power x into tan x plus c. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. E power x into cos x plus c. Here tan inverse x derivative is 1 upon 1 plus x square. E power x into tan inverse x plus c. Same formula I am applying. Here secant x derivative is secant x into tan x. This is f of x, this is f dash of x. This become e power x into secant x plus c. Here root x derivative is 1 upon 2 root x. It becomes e power x into root x plus c. Now here 1 upon x derivative is minus 1 upon x square. This become e power x into 1 upon x plus c. E power x into cos inverse x derivative is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Here f of x is cos inverse x plus c. Now here if you take the derivative of this function, अपने integration, in the integration we learn the formula of integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square is log mod x plus under root 1 plus x square. Integration of this one function become this. Derivative of this function will 1 by under root 1 plus x square. Derivative of this entire function becomes under root 1 by under root 1 plus x square. Here this will be f of x and this will be f dash of x. Here it becomes log mod x plus under root 1 plus x square plus c. Here also integration of 1 upon a square minus x square become 1 upon 2a into log a plus x by a minus x according to that formula. 1 upon 4 into logarithm of 2 plus x upon 2 minus x. Here integration of this function become this. Derivative of this function will become 1 upon 2 square minus x square. This will be f of x and this will be f dash of x. Here you will get e power x upon 4 into log mod 2 plus x upon 2 minus x plus c. Now in last class we have studied the formula of integration by parts. Anyone found how the formula was derived? Now let us check how the formula is derived. I am taking u into w. So everybody knows the derivative of this function d by dx of u into w. So you will get u into dw by dx minus dw by dx into du by dx into w. Now plus here taking integration on the both the sides. So if I apply integration, derivative or integration will get cancelled. You will get u into w is equal to integration of u into dw by dx whole dx plus integration of du by dx into w whole dx. Now bring this term this side and this term this side. Otherwise bring this term here. So integration of this term u into dw by dx whole dx is equal to, so this term I am bringing this side, so here u into w as it is minus this term come this side, it becomes negative du by dx into w dx. Now see, it is little bit similar to our integrating by parts formula. Now integration of u into, once again I am writing here dw by dx whole dx is equal to u into w minus integration of du by dx into w whole dx. Here replace w with integration of v dx. From this, what is dw by dx? Derivative of this becomes v. So integration of u into this entire value becomes v dx is equal to u into, what is w value? Integration of v dx minus integration of dw by dx into du by dx into w. W will be integration of v dx whole dx. So listen here, I am taking uv formula in derivative. So here u into w, derivative of u into w, that is u into w derivative plus w derivative into u derivative into w. Now here apply integration on the both the sides. So u into w is equal to integration of u into dw by dx whole dx plus integration of du by dx into w dx. Now this second term I am bringing to left side, so it becomes right side, first term becomes integration of u into dw by dx whole dx is equal to this uw as it is minus, if this term brings to left side it become negative, integration of du by dx into w dx. Now here w I am replacing with integration of v dx. You can choose any function. So w is equal to integration of v dx means take derivative on both the sides. So dw by dx is equal to integral v. Now replace with this. So integration of u into v dx is equal to u into w value integration of v dx minus integration of, what is du by dx value as it is, what is w value, integration of v dx whole dx. So this formula derivation already we studied questions based on this formula in the last class. Now we will discuss some more problems based on the second formula which we have derived, that is integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. So till now we have done only basic questions. Now little bit tricky questions and which are useful in JEE examination. So first question I am taking integration of e power x into 1 plus sin x into cos x upon cos square x. This is also little bit simple question dx. Integration of e power 2x into 1 plus sin 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x dx. Now let us see this question. Here integration. Whenever e power x into some function, so you should immediately think about this formula. Immediately. So whenever numerator containing two terms, definitely this formula is going to applicable here. So here e power x I am taking as it is. 1 upon cos square x become secant square x plus sin x into cos x upon cos square. One cos will get cancelled. Sin upon cos will be tan x dx. See, this is very easy. Derivative of tan x become secant square x. So answer will become e power x into tan x plus c. In the same way, this is also little bit similar to this question. Here e power 2x, in place of x they have given 2x. Now simplify this. 1 plus sin 2x become 2 sin x cos x upon r else. So you can take like this, sin 2x. Here I am taking 2x is equal to t. So it will be easy. dx is equal to dt upon 2. So this entire function become, so this is e power t and this become 1 plus sin t upon 1 plus cos t into dt upon 2. So dx value dt upon 2. So 1 upon 2 I am keeping aside, e power t into 1 plus sin t upon 1 plus cos t can be written as 2 cos square t dt. 1 plus cos t formula is 2 cos square t by 2 into dt. Now bring this to outside. So this becomes 1 upon 4 into integral e power t. Now otherwise 2 keep inside only. 1 upon 2 into cos square becomes secant square t by 2 plus. Now sin t can be written as 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 upon cos square t by 2. 2 into 2 to get cancelled. 1 cos get cancelled dt. So now 1 upon 2 into integral e power t. Now see, this become tan t by 2 plus 1 upon 2 into secant square t by 2 dt. Now see, tan theta derivative is sec square theta. Tan t by 2 derivative is secant square t by 2 into t by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 2. So this entire function derivative is here. So answer become, so 1 upon 2, this 1 upon 2 as it is. So e power t into tan t by 2 plus c. Now replace the value of t. T is equal to 2x. So this is e power 2x upon 2 into tan x plus c. So little bit change here. If you don't want to take 2x is equal to, so we can do directly, right? So again we will see next question. So these simple tricky questions are asked in JEE examinations. Now integration of e power x into 1 minus x upon 1 plus x square whole square. And here one more question I am writing, e power x into 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Just now we did this question. Just now we did, in place of 2x we have taken t. So same expression you got. So I am not doing this question. So integration of x e power x upon 1 plus x whole square dx. Now see, whenever e power x appears, so you should think about this formula. Okay, but f of x and f dash of x, from this we need to get, so integration of e power x I am writing as it is. Denominator 1 plus x square whole square. Now numerator a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, now integration of e power x into, I am splitting the terms, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, same terms are there, but here one term, here two terms. If I separate them, 1 plus x square, only one term you will get, another term will get cancelled, plus minus 2x upon 1 plus x square whole square. Now see, So this function derivative, so d by dx of 1 upon 1 plus x square. See, 1 upon x derivative is minus 1 upon x square. So it becomes minus 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square. But this is not x. We treated this as x. So according to chain rule, product of this function should be there. So into this function derivative of this function becomes 2x. So minus 2x upon 1 plus x square whole square. See here. Here I am treating this entire function as x. 1 upon x derivative is minus 1 upon x square. So whenever you are assuming any other function as x, so after taking the derivative, you need to multiply with the derivative of this chosen function. So this entire function we have taken as x. So after differentiating, so we need to multiply with the derivative of this function. So 1 plus x square derivative is 2x. This is called chain rule. Okay. Now minus 2x upon 1 plus x square whole square. So see here, this is f of x and this is f dash of x. So answer become e power x into 1 upon 1 plus x square according to this formula. Here e power x into f of x plus c. Here also you will get plus c. Now here integration e power x into x upon 1 plus x whole square. Same procedure. But here little bit change. Numerator containing only one terms. There are no two terms because if you want to apply this formula, we need to have two terms. But only one term is given. So this function I am changing as. See, always try to remember while doing integration, numerator should be written in terms of denominator. So numerator is x, denominator is 1 plus x. So I am bringing denominator in the numerator. So adding 1 and subtracting 1. So separate the denominator. 1 plus x whole square. Here also 1 plus x whole square. Now see. See, just added 1 and subtracted 1. So integration of e power x into. Here 1 plus x get cancelled. 1 upon 1 plus x plus. What about derivative of 1 upon 1 plus x? D by dx of 1 upon 1 plus x derivative. So this is the derivative. 1 upon 1 plus x. Yeah, 1 upon x derivative is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. So this function is f of x. This function is f dash of x. So answer become e power x into f of x, that is 1 upon 1 plus x plus c. So now let us see some more questions based on this formula. Integration of e power cos inverse x into 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x whole square into under root 1 minus x square dx. So this type of questions may be asked in JEE examinations. So you need to thorough with this type of examination. So whenever another function is given, so we cannot integrate this directly. So simple suggestion, cos inverse x you take it as t. Now differentiate this. So dx cos inverse here from this x is equal to, you will get cos t. So dx is equal to minus sin t dt. Minus sin t dt. Okay. Now from this I is equal to integral e power cos inverse, that is t, 1 plus, in place of x we can write cos t, plus under root 1 minus x square, under root 1 minus cos square, that is sin square sin t, upon 1 plus cos t whole square into, this becomes sin t, into, in place of dx we have minus sin t dt, minus sin t into dt. So sin t get cancelled, minus I am writing outside, integration of e power t. Now there are two terms, separate them. So 1 plus cos t upon 1 plus cos t whole square, that becomes 1 upon 1 plus cos t, minus sorry, plus sin t upon 1 plus cos t whole square. Now, so we have two functions. So this function derivative might be this. So let us check. So d by dx of 1 upon 1 plus cos t, cos x, or here if you take differentiation with respect to t. Now 1 upon x derivative is minus 1 upon x square 1 plus cos t whole square into, according to chain rule, this function's derivative. So 1 derivative is 0, cos derivative is minus sin t. So this entire function become sin t upon 1 plus cos t whole square. Now we can confirm that here this is f of x, this is f dash of x. So e power x into f of x plus f dash of x will become e power x into f of x, e power t into 1 upon 1 plus cos t plus c. Now what is t value? Cos inverse x. So replace here. This is e power cos inverse x upon 1 plus, what is cos t value? X plus c. So this is the answer. So now let us see some more questions. So these questions are important for JEE examination as well as some competitive examinations. So they may not ask to use direct formulas, means questions they will not give in direct this format. So we need to modify the questions. So integration of e power x into x power 4 plus 2 upon 1 plus x square power 5 upon 2 dx. Now this is a very good question. Now let us see. Whenever e power x is given, so most of the times this formula is going to applied. So e power x into, now here 1 plus x square is given, here 2 plus x power 4. So always try to remember numerator can be converted into denominator terms. So how? See, x square, if I do anything, means if I do any algebraic operation from x square, how we will get x power 4? By making it into square. So I am going to square this denominator. So 1 plus x square whole square, what you are going to get? 1 plus x square whole square. So this become x power 4 plus 2x square. X power 4 is there, but there is no 2x square. So minus 2x square plus 1. So plus 1 is there, but here plus 2. So one extra is there, here I am writing upon. So 1 plus x square power 5 upon 2. Now integration of e power x into, now here 1 plus x square whole square upon 1 plus x square whole power 5 upon 2 plus 1 minus 2x square upon 1 plus x square power 5 upon 2. Okay. Now here if you cancel this, so what you will get? Integration e power x into 1 upon 1 plus x square power 1 by 2. Because 5 by 2 means 2 plus half. So power 2 get cancelled, power of will remain. Now is there any link between these two terms? So if I make differentiation for this, you will not get this. So power minus 1 by 2, if you take derivative, it becomes minus 3 by 2, but not minus 5 by 2. So you need to take 2 times differentiation. So here directly this function derivative is not given. So directly here this function derivative is not given. So if I want to apply this formula, here should be derivative of this term. So that term is not given. So what I am going to do is integration of e power x into 1 upon 1 plus x square power 1 by 2. Now what is derivative of this function? So derivative of this function become 1 by root x. See, 1 upon d by dx of 1 plus x square root means d by dx of 1 plus x square power minus 1 by 2. It becomes minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square power minus 3 by 2 into 2x according to chain rule. So this 2 get cancelled. So it becomes minus x upon 1 plus x square power 3 by 2. So I am adding this term x upon 1 plus x square power 3 by 2. Okay. So we need to subtract also. See, added and subtracted plus x upon 1 plus x square power 3 by 2. Now, this function derivative should be this. Whether we will check whether it will be same function or not. So, x upon 1 plus x square power 3 by 2. Okay. Now, here we need to apply u by v formula. According to u by v formula, so by v square. So, 1 plus x square power 3. Numerator derivative, that is 1 into 1 plus x square power 3 by 2 minus numerator into denominator derivative. Derivative of this function will be 3 by 2 into 1 plus x square power 3 by 2 minus 1 become 1 by 2 into iska derivative 2x. So if I simplify this, so 2 get cancelled. So 1 plus x square power 3 by 2 minus, so this become 3x square upon, so here also 1 plus x square power 1 by 2 was left. So 1 plus x square power 3. Now from these two terms, just I try to erase this one. Now this function, from these two terms we can take 1 plus x square power 1 by 2 common. So you will get 1 plus x square minus 3x square upon 1 plus x square power 3. So it becomes 1 minus 2x square upon 1 plus x square power 5 by 2. From 3 if you subtract 1 by 2, 5 by 2. Now see, here this term I am writing as it is, this 1 minus 2x square. So 1 minus 2x square upon 1 plus x square power 3 by 2. See, here what we have done, we have only these two terms. So this middle term I am added and subtracted, so that f of x and this function is f dash of x. This is g of x and this function is g dash of x. So the final answer become, therefore integration become e power x into, this is f of x and this is f dash of x. So we will get f of x 1 upon 1 plus x square power 3 1 by 2 plus this is g of x and this is g dash of x. So again g of x square power 3 by 2. So here this entire question contains two times, means two formulas, same formula in two times. In only one step we are applying two times. So here also we are applying the formula, here also we are applying the formula. Here the f of x is this, here the f of x is this. So you will get e power x into 1 upon 1 plus x square power 1 by 2 plus x upon 1 plus x square power 3 by 2. So this is the question. So this is important for the JEE examination. This type of questions might be asked in future JEE examinations. So it is little bit thinking, brain thinking question. So you need to practice more for this type of questions. So one more formula we will read. So let us see one more question. E power sin x into x cos cube x minus sin x upon cos square x dx. Now, so let us see this question. Here e power x should be there. So sin x is equal to t I am taking. From this cos x dx is equal to dt. Cos x dx is equal to dt. Now integral I is equal to e power t. What is x value from this sin inverse t? Sin inverse t. Before that, here I am separating this question e power sin x into x. Cos cube upon cos square x become x cos x minus sin x upon cos square x dx. Now, here x becomes sin inverse t into cos x become cos x. From this cos x can be written as under root 1 minus sin square x. So 1 minus t square. Okay. Now minus sin x become t by cos square x become 1 minus t square into dx become dt upon under root 1 minus t square. Okay. Now integration of e power t into, now bring this 1 minus t square here, sin inverse t minus, so t upon 1 minus t square power 3 by 2 dt. Now here integration of e power t. See here, there are only two functions, but this term differentiation is not this function. So what we are going to do? Add derivative of this function and subtract. So sin inverse t plus derivative of sin inverse t is 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. When you are adding, again same subtract, 1 upon under root 1 minus t square plus t upon 1 minus t square power 3 by 2 dt. Now derivative of this function is this. So here first function means for half bracket we have the formula sin inverse t. For rest of the function e power t, see here from these two terms I am taking minus common, integration e power x into 1 upon root 1 minus t square minus t upon 1 minus t square. Here also minus is there. So plus power 3 by 2. Now let us check derivative of this function will be this or not. Sorry, here t. Derivative of this function is this or not. So d by dt of 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. See, 1 upon x derivative is minus 1 upon x square into, so this entire function root x derivative is, or directly we can take power minus 1 by 2. So d by dt of 1 minus t square power minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus t square power minus 3 by 2 into derivative of this function become minus 2t. So 2 get cancelled, minus and minus also get cancelled, t upon 1 minus t square power 3 by 2. See, derivative of this function become this. So answer become e power sin inverse t minus, here 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. I am taking e power t common plus c. Now we need to replace the value of t. So answer become I is equal to e power, what is t value? Sin x into, right, sin inverse t. What is sin inverse t? From this sin inverse t become x minus 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. Under root 1 minus t square is cos x. 1 upon cos x is secant x plus c. So this will be the answer. Okay. Next we will see one more question based on this. So we are going to study another formula that will be based on this formula only. So this type of question was asked in previous JEE. So integration of e power g of x into f of x into g dash of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power g of x into f of x. See, listen. If you derivate this function by uv formula, you will get this. See, this is u, this is v. E power g of x as it is into f dash of x plus f of x into e power g of x derivative if e power g of x into g dash of x. Now take e power g of x common. You will get f dash of x plus f of x into g dash of x. See, same function. So integration of this function becomes e power g of x into f of x plus c. So let us see some questions based on this. Integration of e power x sin x plus cos x into x square cos square x minus x sin x minus cos x upon x square dx. Now here integration of e power, this entire function is x sin x plus cos x. This entire function is g of x. Then what we need to have? F dash of x plus g dash f dash of f of x into g dash of x. So derivative of this function. What is derivative of this function? X into sin x derivative is cos x, that is x cos x plus, see here. First I am trying to separate this function, cos square x minus here x sin x minus cos x plus cos x upon x square. Now see here x sin x plus cos x, here g of x. So you should not confuse with this. Okay. So here integration of e power x sin x plus cos x. So let us see the formula. Here f of x and here f dash of x should be there. Here f of x and here f dash of x should be there, and here g dash of x should be there. So here what is the derivative of this function? So derivative of this function, let us see. X into sin x derivative is cos x plus sin x into cos x derivative is 1. Here minus sin x. These two get cancelled. You will get x cos x. You will get x cos x. So here g dash of x will be x cos x. So here only cos x function is there. What I am doing? X into cos x I took into cos x upon x. So what I did is multiply and divide with x. Why? Here we need to get g dash of x. Derivative of g of x become x cos x. So from this I am going to obtain x cos x. There is no x, so multiply and divide with x. There are two cos terms. Take one cos here, one cos here. Now, so this is g dash of x. So this will be automatically f of x. Okay. Now, here what you need to get? F dash of x. So check whether you are going to get f dash of x here or not. See, derivative of this function. So what you will get? U by v formula. So what is u by v formula? U dash, that is, see here I am doing here cos x upon x derivative. U dash minus sin x into x minus cos x into x derivative is 1 upon x square. See, same function you got, plus of minus x sin x minus cos x upon x square plus c. So understood everyone? See here, this is g of x, this is g dash of x. With this we got f of x and this is f dash of x. Now see, we got this formula. So little bit tricky. So here if you observe what is g of x and what should be the g dash of x, so that you will get f of x and f dash of x. So answer become e power g of x into f of x. This answer become e power x sin x plus cos x into f of x is cos x upon sin x, cos x upon x plus c. So very tricky question. This is actually, this is I think in recent JEE examination this type of question was asked. Okay. So thank you students. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe and please share to your friends. Thank you students. Have a nice day.